Hey friends, today we're going to draw a hand puppet.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have. You also need some paper and something to color with. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're going to first start out by drawing the basic shapes of our hand puppet, and then our friends could actually change their puppet into something else. Like we're going to draw a lion or a monkey, but our art friends could change it into a person.
Or like a duck.
Or yeah, a duck. Let's start by drawing the head of our hand puppet. I'm going to start up here at the top, and I'm going to draw a big circle or oval shape for the head. Yes. And you could also change this shape. It could be wider or taller.
Yeah.
It could also even be a square. Next, let's draw the body. And we're going to draw it coming down from our circle or oval shape. And then let's draw the bottom. And we're going to draw an S curve. So we'll curve down, and then we'll curve up, and then back down. And then we're going to draw the arm inside of our puppet. And I'm going to draw it coming down. And we're just going to stop there. You don't have to go all the way to the edge. Or you can go that far. That's okay too. And then we can make it look more 3D by adding a back to our puppet. So I'm going to draw a line connecting to the arm there. And then we'll connect over here to this side. Now it looks like it's going inside of our puppet.
Yeah.
Next, let's draw the arms, and we're going to draw them sticking out to the side. This is where your little finger and your thumb go in, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So you got the puppet like this, and then the finger and the thumb.
It's like,
Yeah.
I would do this when I was little because I couldn't fit my other fingers.
Let's draw this other arm sticking out to the side too. Well, this one got a little smaller, I think. Oh, it's okay. And I don't even know if you could get a finger in that one. Then let's also add little stitches. I think this helps make it look more like a puppet.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. There's the main shape of our puppet. Now, our friends could change the next part of the lesson. You could add different details. You could add crazy eyes. Maybe you're drawing an alien puppet. You could draw lots of eyes. But if you want to, you can also follow along with us. And what are you going to draw?
I'm going to draw a monkey.
Okay, I'm going to draw a lion. And a lot of the steps can be similar. So we're going to draw the mouth for our puppet next. So let's draw another oval.
Should I do that too?
Yeah, you could do this one too. And so there's the main shape for the mouth. And then I'm drawing another oval here. And I think for your monkey, you could do the same thing. You could draw another oval for the nose. And then for the mouth, let's draw a big mouth. It's going to come all the way across the oval. And then we can also show the mouth open. That's the best part of, I think, about it. I think this is the best part of a puppet is making it talk.
Yeah.
And then for me, because it's a lion, I'm going to draw a line right down the middle, but you could leave that part off for your monkey.
Yeah.
Now let's draw eyes. I'm going to draw a circle here and a circle over here. Same size. And then let's color these in, but let's also leave a highlight or a white circle inside of them to make the eyes look shiny. And then to make your face look even more like a monkey, put a guide point right here, and you could draw a curve that goes over this eye and then connects down to the mouth, and then do the same thing on this side.
Okay.
That looks awesome. Okay. And then the same thing on the other side. I'm adding whiskers to mine. So it's a line. Yes, it's totally looking like a monkey.
He needs his ears.
Yeah. And then let's do that next. So I got my whiskers in. Now my ears, I'm going to draw them on top and small. You could draw them big and on the side. Oh, you could also do a teddy bear. Mine's starting to look a little like a teddy bear, except for the whiskers. Yeah, and then I'm going to draw another circle or upside down U inside. Yeah, that looks awesome. Now you could also draw a little tail sticking out the side, or it could be a long one that curves. I'm gonna add the mane so that mine looks more like a lion. I'm gonna add these bumpy lines, some big and some small. They're looking awesome. Let's add one more thing. I'm gonna draw a belly. I think you could add a belly to yours too.
I'm gonna do like a more circle one.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. I did an upside down U shape. And we could also add paws. I'm gonna draw a circle on each side. There we go. We did it. We finished drawing our puppets, except we still need to
Color them.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you could pause the video if you want to match our coloring. But you can also color yours any way you want. Awesome, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our puppets, and I especially love your little monkey.
Thanks.
He's awesome. And I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings. You can pause the video if you drew our same drawings and you want to match the colors.
Or like we mentioned, you could draw a different animal.
Yeah, and you could also color it crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe your lion is purple.
I also like that we added more stitches.
Yeah, me too.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing puppets.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.